This is the best thing you can do with zucchini. This is Zuccini Caviar, a rich, silky vegetable spread from Eastern Europe. Start by finely chopping one onion and grating a carrot. Heat vegetable oil in a pan and cook the onion and carrot until soft and lightly golden. Now, peel about 1 kilo of zucchini and cut it into chunks. Cook the zucchini until tender and slightly reduced. They should release moisture and soften. Now combine everything together. Add tomato paste, a bit of sugar, salt, and black pepper. Let it simmer on medium-low heat for about 40 to 50 minutes. Stir occasionally until it becomes thick and rich. Once it's ready, blend everything until smooth and creamy. And that's it. What you get is something between a dip and a spread. Perfect on toast, with meat, or just on its own. And the best part, it tastes even better the next day. Save this recipe.